This AI cat cooking video trend is taking over social media, and one of the TikTok creators making this video has racked up to 225,000 followers in clips, reaching millions of views. The best part is this niche is still on tap and bursting with potential, making it perfect time for you to jump in and create your own viral hit. And here is the exciting news. You can do this with free AI tools like Leonardo AI and Alio AI in just minutes. The best part is you can create this video with your phones. This video aren't just for TikTok, they are also ideal for YouTube Short and Instagram Reels, giving you even more chance to rank in views and income through ad revenue and brand deals and TikTok creators reward. With all that being said, let's dive in. The first step in creating these AI-generated animal videos is to develop an image prompt. However, you don't need to worry, I've already done the hard work for you. All you need to do is just to check the description of this video. You are going to be seeing the prompts there, okay? You can use the prompts the way they are, or you can just simply change the animal name to create your own unique prompt. Step 1. Generating the story. Copying the first prompt, take it to ChatGPT, paste it there and click on send. ChatGPT will instantly create scenes depicting the animal's cooking journey. Once done, go back and copy the second prompt, paste it into ChatGPT to generate detailed image prompt for all the scenes. Step 2. Creating images with Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI. Once you are there at Leonardo AI, navigate your way to image creation section. Select the model Phoenix 0.1 and set your image style to dynamic. Adjust the image dimension to 9 by 16. Then copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI prompt box. Okay, click generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo AI will generate 4 images for you. What you need to do is for you to select the image that you like best from the 4. Okay, once you select it, just save it to your device. Okay, that is how you are going to repeat the same process for all your image prompts in order for you to get all your images. Okay, here are all the images Leonardo AI has created for us, showcasing the detailed and visually stunning AI generated scenes based on our prompt. Okay, step 3. Converting images into video. Head over to Alio AI and click on create. Select image to video option. Upload the first image downloaded from Leonardo AI and copy the corresponding image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Alio AI prompt box and click on generate. Repeat the process for all the remaining images, ensuring each image uses the matching prompt. This process may take some time. Keep uploading images with their corresponding prompts into Alio AI. To speed up the process and maximize efficiency, I will use multiple accounts to generate more images, video, conversion simultaneously. Now, as you can see, Alio AI has successfully converted all our images into videos. The next step is to download all the videos onto your device, ensuring you have all the clips ready for editing process. To download, just click here and hit download and it will be downloaded to your device. Step 4. Create background music. For this video, we'll use Suno AI. Open Suno AI. If you already have an account, sign in. If you don't, create one. Go to ChatGPT and ask for calming and relaxing song lyrics along with a suggested music style that fits the video theme. Once you have the lyrics and style, return to Suno AI, click on create, then select custom, paste the song lyrics into Suno AI lyrics box and paste the music style in the appropriate section. Click on generate and Suno AI will instantly create 2 songs for you. If you don't like the generated song, simply click on generate again and Suno AI is going to create another songs for you. Once you find the song you like, download it and save it to your device for use in the final video edit. Step 5. Editing the video in CapCut. Head over to CapCut, click on new project, import all the video clips you have downloaded from Alio AI. Make sure you arrange them well. Okay, drag and arrange the clips on the timeline in story sequence, starting from cat in the grocery store to cat eating, ensuring a smooth narrative flow. Import the music you downloaded from Suno AI into CapCut. Drag the music file onto the audio track in the timeline, aligning it with the video clips. Add sound effects to your video to make it more engaging, right? You can get your sound effect from pixabay.com or from pixels.com. This will allow the storytelling matches each sound effect with a corresponding clip to make the video more engaging. Okay, take for instance the place that the cat is frying. You can add frying sound effect to create realistic season sound. Okay, for the scene where the cat is cutting and chopping tomatoes, you can use chopping sound so that you can match that particular scene and it will draw emotion. Once you are done adding sound effect to each clip, what you need to do next for you to click here to add transition in order for us to create a seamless flow between clips to make the video look smooth, and also adjust the duration of the transitions to ensure it blends well with the scenes changing. Okay, so what you need to do next is for you to remove the watermark. You can do this in two ways. Okay, the first step is for you to drag each of the clip and adjust it to make sure the watermark remove. The other step is for you to download the video and take it to another tool in order for us to remove the watermark. Okay, so let's just export the video. Now you can decide to export it in 4K or whichever resolution you want to download your video in. Okay, so just click here and export it. Once it's exported, take it to this app, the eraser app. Take it there and use this pencil icon to drag the eraser to the part the watermark is and leave it there. Click here and it's going to remove the watermark for you in split of minutes. Okay, so your video is ready. Let's take a look at the final video.
Down the lane with a little cart, a tiny chef with a giant heart, tomatoes bright and basil sweet. He hums a tune with happy feet. Stir it slow, let flavor sing, love and care.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your bell notification for you to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. Thanks for watching. Remember, your creativity has the power to inspire the world. So start creating today. I can't wait to see the incredible videos you bring to life. Bye. See you in my next video.
Stir it slow, let flavor sing.